Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make grilled fish with lemon butter sauce. So for the ingredients, here we have olive oil, seasoning, parsley, dijon mustard, garlic, onion, butter, thyme, lemon juice and fish. Now I'm going to marinate the fish with some dijon mustard, olive oil, thyme spray and fine chopped garlic. After marination, I'll keep this into the fridge for around 20 to 30 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to prepare lemon butter sauce. I'll turn on the gas and place a non-stick pan. Heat oil, fine chopped onion, add some fine chopped garlic, some thyme spray, more of thyme, and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll add lemon juice and reduce till it half. Now I'll add salt, pepper, parsley and cook it. Finish this with some butter. Now my lemon butter sauce is ready and I'm going to turn off the gas. So now it's been 30 minutes and I'm going to take out the fish from inside. And grill it into a pan. Place a non-stick pan, add some oil, heat the oil for 2 more minutes, and put fish into the pan. Now I'm going to flip the fish. As you can see, that fish has got a very nice color. After 2 minutes, I'll put this into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to take out my fish from the oven. It's time for plating.